Most business owners get this wrong. They assume all CRM and marketing automation tools are created equal. The surprising truth is that Ontraport and Go High Level serve very different purposes depending on your business type and goals. Here's my hands-on comparison after using both platforms. Ontraport is ideal for small to mid-sized businesses looking for an all-in-one CRM with marketing automation. It combines contact management, email marketing, landing pages, and sales pipelines in one platform. Its visual campaign builder is intuitive, making it easy to automate email sequences, follow-ups, and even e-commerce workflows without technical expertise. Go High Level, on the other hand, is built primarily for agencies and marketers who manage multiple clients. It offers CRM, email, and SMS marketing, funnel building, white label client dashboards, appointment scheduling, and more. The platform is highly customizable, allowing you to design complex automation workflows that Ontraport doesn't always support. Pricing is a major consideration. Ontraport plans are based on the number of contacts and users, which is great for small teams, but can get expensive as your contact list grows. Go High Level offers unlimited contacts and users on its core plan, which is cost-effective for agencies, but it can feel overwhelming if you're just running a single small business. One thing most people miss is ease of use. Ontraport is beginner-friendly with a cleaner interface, whereas Go High Level has a steeper learning curve, but offers more control and flexibility. It really comes down to whether you value simplicity or advanced features. In conclusion, if you're a small business looking for an easy-to-use CRM with marketing automation, Ontraport is a solid choice. If you run an agency or need advanced automation and multi-client management, Go High Level is better suited. Choosing the right platform depends on your business needs and long-term goals. Subscribe for more honest software comparisons to help you make the best choice for your business.